Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Measure and prepare ingredients before mixing. 1 tablespoon honey, 200 ml cool water, 1/4 teaspoon sea salt, and a squeeze of lemon if desired. If you want more carbs, add 20 g carbohydrate powder or 1 banana mashed into the mixture. That increases quick glucose for exercise. Optional ergogenic aids like 5 g creatine or 100 mg caffeine should be weighed separately and considered based on tolerance and timing. Keep all measurements precise and ready for a 1-minute assembly. Pour 200 ml cool water into a shaker or bottle, then add 1 tablespoon honey and stir or shake vigorously until dissolved. Honey dissolves best in slightly warm water, but cool is fine for drinking. Add 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1/4 teaspoon salt for electrolytes, and 20 g carbohydrate powder or a mashed banana for taste and fuel. Adjust sweetness to preference. Chill the drink briefly or use cool water for immediate palatability. Then taste and fine-tune with a small extra pinch of salt or lemon. Drink the honey pre-workout 20 to 45 minutes before training to allow carbohydrates to raise blood glucose and support short-term energy needs. If using caffeine, begin with 100 mg and assess how your body responds. Avoid adding more on the day of a heavy stimulant load. Consume the full portion within 30 minutes of preparing or store any leftover in the refrigerator and use within 24 hours. Monitor hydration separately and pair with water during your session for consistent performance and safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.